come on, just give it a try.
All right, maybe just a little.
Welcome to San Andreas, I'm CJ from Grove Street. Land of the heinous, gangbangers and cold weed. In Los Santos, neighbors get no sleep. Beefing with anybody, competing, even police. 4 deep in the green rag with gold feet. Blast with the flag on the strap, that's OG.
I guess I was wrong. There was no danger at all.
Once again, you've proved if you'll excuse me. I hate it when he does that.
Boba, is your father here?
R4, Scrabble code 5 to Coruscant, care of the old folks home.
Attention, all Fortnite gamers. John Wick is in great danger and he needs your help to wipe out the squads in the Tilted Towers. But to do this, he needs Golden Scar and a couple of Chug Jugs.
Do you think these cloners are involved in the plot to assassinate Senator Amidala?
To help him, all he needs is your credit card number, the 3 digits on the back, and the expiration month and year.
I almost fell. You'll get your chance alone. I'm scrapped. It's a nightmare. I want to go home.